Yes, this is Bend Up Station introducing to you the man called Ganja Tree at Reggae Station Festival 2016. Big up Guiding Star, yes, Selecta Kati, la drop yourself. Big up Alexandra Robo, la video, yes,
What me say? Me say Ganja Tree for the mic, me say lyrical friend. What the lyrics that sing them like hunting. Me say we are tagging. Go and go tell for your friend Ganja tagging. Me are your lyrical friend, pan top again. Me say you must have a friend. Me Ganja Tree, my your lyrical friend. Come in and the dance, I will sing you. We have to skunk all night. Music so right, we have to listen so keenly. Music so nice, we have to skunk all night. Music so right, we have to skunk all. For last night, when I was walking down the road, one song turns me on. One song turns me on. The big bad sound. That's right, the righteous man in a demand. And Babylon a go on and enough of them attack. Can't really capture the righteous heart. Cause the righteous heart in a righteous starter. Till the Ganja Tree, the righteous road me a walk. Enough of them a say that them a bad boy a road. No for them a say that them a rude boy a road. But me no see them name up on the notice board. Them try take the road and them fell overboard. Till the Ganja Tree on the righteous road. Say me no bad boy, say me no road boy. No boy can see the Ganja take him for fraud. Why you fi know me a the owner for me a Ganja Tree man him own general. Ganja Tree my own general. You know why? Because of me write me program. Right, you know what me no take instruction. Right, you know cause I'm a me write me program. You hear me man? Because Babylon a try overthrow Rastaman. One we fi work off of them program. But tell you fi the tree I and I say that them wrong. Cause we don't work for Babylon. Rastaman don't work for Babylon. You know work for man. We say we work for Jaja. Him a the righteous father. Him a give we strength and him a give I power. And I give me roots and culture man feel lecture about ya. And the energy, the strength and all him power. A DJ them have to work for the father. DJ them have to work for the father. Jaja was the father, and I'm man and the son. So me have to do him works and make it carry round. For no for them matter about them about. I me take in at the radio and the name is Jacka. I want you to know that that's a natural fucker. Me sit down on the rhythm and I chat non-stopper. I tell you this I want to come for blow like a fuck. And me some of them slim man now want to fight. You fi bubble, you fi stand, you fi juggle on the spot. DJ on the mic, him never chat, nothing slack. Every day been get up a love and culture. And enough reality. Right now for the people in a reggae session. You don't know. You don't know. Original Ben from Dub Station, way back when, you know. Originally my engineer and everything from long time big, you know. Bang and double sharp, you know. Have mercy. There are ragamuffin in your party. And everybody come listen. Too much inform and we will knock them out cool. Inform and Ganja Tree and him we knock them out cool. But after 12 o'clock no boy no lean pan me fence. Big machine fit yard me resident. With we intelligent and we experience. Ganja Tree they are just a rocking the resident. In a DJ like and we crowd and put confidence. Come in at the dance with the mind content. Do the DJ on the mic, him have no fag.